गुमनामी के अंधेरे में था, पहचान बना दिया। दुनिया के गम से मुझे अनजान बना दिया। उनकी ऐसी कृपा हुई, गुरु ने मुझे एक अच्छा इंसान बना दिया।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
When man was lost in confusion and had no peace of mind, to rekindle the sense of knowledge and wisdom came the teachers as a gift to mankind. Greetings to everybody. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is a teacher. And today is the right opportunity to express gratitude towards all the lovely, inspiring, compassionate, innovative, and wonderful teachers of the Secunderabad Public School. Ricky, this is the last year of our school, right?
Yes, it is.
So do you think our teachers should remember us after we leave and recollect all those memories and fun that we spent together?
Of course, our teachers can never forget our batch.
Then they should also be remembering our ex-students, right?
Yes, our seniors were so perfect in everything.
Then why wait? Let's get back to all those wonderful ex-students of TSPS who are here to recollect all their memories and thank all the teachers for all those days spent together.
चंदा तक पक्का सा रास्ता बनाना जो है दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं। बंद दिल बाहों को है खुलना सिखाना जो है दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं।
Dear teachers, this is Anirudh Angar. I passed out in 2012. When I joined SPS in 2007, I never expected it to influence me as much as it did. Thank you for all the inspiration. Thank you for always keeping me motivated to be moving ahead in life. Thank you for everything, teachers. Thank you for all that you've done for us. Happy Teachers' Day.
A very warm good morning to all the respected teachers. I'm Rashi Kulkarni from the class of 2012. It's been 8 years since my journey with SPS came to an end, but I have spent the most amazing 5 years of my student life with SPL. I have learned so much, things that will stay with me throughout my life, and I know that for sure. I'm so proud to be associated with this community, to call myself a part of the SPS family, which is so closely knit together. And I know that even today I can reach out to any one of you for any sort of support or help. And I know this with confidence that I will get the same amount of love and guidance that I got 8 years ago. I cannot thank each one of you enough for all that you've done for me, for everything that you've given, all the guidance, all the support, and thank you for shaping me into this person that I am today. I don't think one day is enough to thank you for all your efforts, but I would like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for me and for every other student. Thanks a lot.
This message is for all teachers of SPS. Your students may not admit it, but they'll always be thankful for your support and kindness. They'll always be thankful for your patience that you have with their silly behavior. You're not just a teacher, you're a friend, you're a guide. It's like everything wrapped in one gift. We'll always be thankful for you. Thanks for guiding us. A very happy Teachers' Day.
Hello, dear teachers of SPS. Here's to all the school days that we missed. Reminiscing of our school, there's plenty to share. It was a single floor setting when we started there.
And by the time we left, one could swear that they'd lost count of the stairs.
From crying on the first day of KG to bidding adieu, we've seen our school grow as we grew.
And as we went our careers anew, there was always a driving force behind that guided us through.
Every step, there was a helping hand that unhesitatingly sprung, which allowed us to climb up further on the ladder rung.
So we take this opportunity to thank you all for having our back. And some of those precious memories, here's us with a throwback. Batch of 2013.
The times when our PTRs were taken over, other classes were offered in exchange moreover. The times we enjoyed with you in excursion, but returned back to complete our notes by standing out in the sun.
The day when we, the best class, were crowned. To all of us, coffee bites were passed around. The day we put ourselves into your shoes, about your hard work and prep, we got a clue.
Staying back after hours to turn us into amazing anchors, in your hearts, you made us all your top rankers. And so the days when we were all reprimanded, as you wanted to see us all succeed, our efforts were demanded.
The days when our naughty streak made you call us a fish market, as your focus to teach us kept us undeterred from a target. We've taken the time to relive many a memory. A happy Teachers' Day to you all with gratitude for this treasury.
Here's all of us thanking you from the bottom of our hearts. Here's all of us thanking you for being the guiding light in a dark family. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day. And thank you.
We love you all.
We love you all.
We love you all.
Greetings to everybody watching this video. This is Neha Wang, an ex-student of Secunderabad Public School, wishing all my amazing teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. I would like to take this opportunity to thank, rather thankful or grateful will be really less of words in return of the knowledge, ethics, values, and of course all the pamperings I receive from the teachers out there. So today, instead of being thankful, I would like to say whatever I am today or will be in the near future, whether big or small, a big part of it will be dedicated to all my teachers from SPS. Thank you once again and a very happy Teachers' Day.
Wishing all our old teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. This is after so many years that I'm getting to wish all of you. There are so many beautiful memories. Sujata ma'am, Meenakshi ma'am, Grace ma'am, Rashmi ma'am, Malti ma'am, Venkat sir. I just can't express how happy I feel when I think about those days, and I've always tried to maintain contact with all of you. There is no reason, I just like to do it, and that is the reason why I've been doing it. And I look forward to meeting you people often, no matter how many years pass by. And I've tried it from my end to get all the people together as well to do the same. Let's see how it goes, but as of now, really happy to be in touch with you and really miss all of you. Thank you so much.
Hello, this is Neha Dange from batch 2014. First of all, happy Teachers' Day to all my wonderful teachers who have had a great influence on me during my school days. Well, if I have to talk about them, Sujata ma'am, I still remember I used to look forward to listen to her biology classes, my most favorite. And Meenakshi ma'am, your ever encouraging words went a long way for me during my school days, so thank you. And Vijayalakshmi ma'am, you taught us Telugu for 4 years straight. Thank you for looking after us like your own kids. Thank you very much. And all my other teachers, Lavanya ma'am, Grace ma'am, Malika ma'am, Venkat sir, thank you so much for all that you had to offer us during our school days. Forever grateful. And now when I look back, years after being graduated from SPS, I feel like I've had the best set of teachers. Thank you.
Wishing all the teachers at SPS a very happy Teachers' Day. I have been in SPS from nursery, so actually I have completed 13 years in the same school, and what a journey it was to know so many people, to be taught by so many wonderful teachers. I still miss being in classes. Grace ma'am, Rashmi ma'am, Shravanti ma'am, Malti ma'am. Oh, I can just go on and on. What a wonderful time I have had. The techniques that I still apply in my life. Just want to tell you all a very short message that thank you so much for everything. All your students, we promise to make you proud and to be the best version of ourselves. And thank you for being you, and thank you for allowing me to be me, and for guiding me all the way through. Thank you so much, and again a very, very happy Teachers' Day.
Hello ma'am. Hello sir. I'm Chanakya and I'm currently doing my medicine at Bhaskar Medical College. To talk about my experience and my journey with the Secunderabad Public School, it was truly amazing, and I'd like to call that period as the golden period of my life. To talk about my teachers, they were really good, and I always had a parent and child relationship with them. They were like my parents, not like my teachers. And coming to education part, I need not specifically talk about academics part, because we all know that the quality of education that the Secunderabad Public School delivers is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It's extremely good. So apart from academics, if you'll ask me what else did I learn, I've learned life skills in that school. My teachers during their lunch hours, they used to spend time with us in teaching us how to behave in the society, how to respect elders, how to respect each other, and how to maintain a good relationship with friends, with colleagues, and with everyone else in this world. And what is good for you and what is not good for you, and in distinguishing that, they helped us a lot. And in my view, that knowledge made me a good citizen today. And today is 5th September, and we all know that it's Teachers' Day. And on this auspicious day, I'd like to thank each one of them personally for all their efforts that they have put in to make me a better person today. Thank you so much, ma'am, for encouraging me, for guiding me, and for inspiring me all the time. Finally, I'd like to end by greeting all my teachers Happy Teachers' Day. And thank you, ma'am, for giving a wonderful opportunity to me in greeting all my teachers on this auspicious day. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Seriously, इस तरह से अपने दिन की शुरुआत करना was the best part of my student life. Every single time जब भी मैं स्कूल के बारे में सोचती हूँ, सबसे पहला यही चीज मेरे दिमाग में आता है. Happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers in SPS. Very, very, very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you so much. I'm so glad and grateful कि आप हमारे टीचर्स थे, क्योंकि आप लोगों की वजह से आज हम लाइफ में जो अच्छा कर रहे हैं वो सब सिर्फ आप लोगों की ही वजह से है. सो थैंक यू सो मच. आप लोगों ने हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ किया है, एंड आई जस्ट होप कि हम वो थोड़ा सा आपके लिए कर सकते. सो यस, थैंक यू सो मच विनीता मैम, मीनाक्षी मैम, रश्मि मैम, ग्रेस मैम, और मेरे सारे टीचर्स, वेंकट सर, श्रीनिवास सर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर making us who we are today. Thank you so much, and a very, very, very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. And also, especially Meenakshi ma'am, happy Teachers' Day, and thank you so much for being there for me. 9th and 10th अगर आप मेरे साथ नहीं होती तो पता नहीं क्या होता, मैं स्कूल में क्या करती. So thank you so much for always being there for me and having my back. Thank you, and once again, happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers.
Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. All of you, I miss you guys so much. Meenakshi ma'am, you were the horse that drove me. You were my constant support and guidance on how to move through all the expectations that I wanted to fulfill. And Grace ma'am, my icon. I mean, you know how much I loved you. I wanted to be you for Teachers' Day, so I'm so glad that I was your student at some point in my life. Or I'm so excited for all those students who get to go through you every year, and I'm just so glad that we're doing this even. So I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful year, and I hope you know that your students always remember you and cherish their memories with you. And there's so many other countless teachers that have supported me through my life, and I don't know how many people I can mention over here. So all of you, you're in my thoughts and prayers always. And your work, your dedication, your commitment to your profession, it's a testament to what wonderful people you are and what good people you teach your students to be. Thank you so much.
You all very happy Teachers Day. Is something that has to do with the bond between teachers and students. And the bond that we share with all of you teachers is really special. It's something that we hold close to our hearts. Thank you for being like a friend and being up with the exams practices and all of the celebrations. Thank you for all the wonderful memories we had with you.
We miss you all.
Hi all, happy Teachers Day to everybody at TSPS. Thank you so much for always being there by our side. Bye.
हाँ, कहने के लिए तो कोई शब्द नहीं। इरशाद इरशाद, कहने के लिए तो कोई शब्द नहीं है, देने के लिए भी कोई चीज नहीं है। बोलने को कोई शब्द नहीं, देने को कोई चीज नहीं। हाँ, एक बात जरूर कहूँगा, कल जो था, आज जो हूँ और कल जो रहूँगा, सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपकी दुआ और आपने सिखाई हुई सारी चीज़ें। So thank you is a very small word, so I'll just wish it a very 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 happy Teachers Day to all my teachers.
Hello teachers, wish you a very happy Teachers Day. Hope you're all doing fine. We miss you. We miss all the time we spent in school and the way we used to celebrate Teachers Day all the time.
Hi, this is Sukshmi. First, I'd like to wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. And this school has been like, it has given me a lot of memories. I've been in the school for like 11 years. And the teachers are really warm and friendly. And my favorite teachers are Rashmi ma'am and Meenakshi ma'am. I really like enjoyed their company, and they've also taught me few things which I could use in my life, and they're my favorite teachers. And the school is like the best environment a student could grow in. Thank you, and wish you all a very happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day. We hope you are all doing well. Stay home, stay safe.
Hey there, you lovely teachers. Do you miss this face? I hope you do. And today, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for teaching me a subject that I thought I could never learn, understand, or even be interested in. Just kidding. Thank you for making my learning experience a fun ride. I don't say it very often, but whenever I do, I mean it wholeheartedly that you guys were the best there was, is, and will ever be. So thank you. Happy Teachers Day. Have a great one. We love you guys. I hope to see you soon. Lots and lots of love.
Dear teachers, I know nothing can define you all perfectly, but I have something to say for you. Thank you for concerning about us even when we ourselves do not care. Thank you for all the efforts you put in to enlighten our future. Thank you for teaching us humanity and helping nature. Thank you for all the unsung efforts that you put on. Thank you for each and every minute you spared for us. A teacher brightens our future and moreover, they enlighten our human nature. Thank you and a very happy Teachers Day to all my lovely teachers.
Happy Teachers Day to each and every teacher. Thank you for making our future bright. Thank you. And once again, I wish you a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे मेरी तरफ से उन सभी टीचर्स को जिन्होंने हमेशा हर बच्चे पर विश्वास किया, हमेशा उनको पूरे दिल से पढ़ाया, उनको आगे बढ़ने का मौका दिया। क्योंकि मैम, आप लोग की वजह से ही स्कूल हमारा दूसरा घर और आप सब लोग हमारा दूसरा परिवार बने थे। थैंक यू हमेशा हमारे साथ रहने के लिए। पीछे मुड़े तो आपको वहाँ पे हमेशा खड़ा पाने के लिए। थैंक यू so much.
Very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers out there. I thank everybody for shaping us the way we are today. SPS has provided us a great foundation and we are all proud to be a part of SPS. All the teachers are putting in great efforts in taking online classes and providing constant guidance and support. I thank all the teachers for making every lecture an interesting class and I wish them a very happy Teachers Day.
What if there were no teachers in the world? Imagining a world without teachers is like having a book without pages. A teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light a way for others. For every child that says, I can't, there's always a teacher who says, you can. For every child that needs someone to believe in themselves, there is always a teacher who will do whatever it takes to encourage him, motivate him, and instill a love for learning. I will cherish every single moment of my 5 years that I spent with you all. You gave me all the reasons to dream big and all the resources to achieve it. You are a blessing in my life. Every job has ups and downs, but not every job can change a life. Teachers, you all made a difference. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। ऐसे कितने दिन हो गए सभी टीचर्स को प्रणाम कहकर। मेरी तरफ से सभी टीचर को शिक्षक दिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। I take this opportunity to thank all my teachers who have taught me and molded each and every student into a unique piece of art. Every teacher stands strong and tall like the bark of the tree and unites all the students together. आखिर में एक शिक्षक और विद्यार्थी के बीच में जो भी संबंध है वो दिया और बाती की तरह है। जब दोनों मिलते हैं तो चारों ओर रोशन फैलाते हैं। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे एवरीवन।
हाय, सारे टीचर्स बैठे मैं देखी ही नहीं। नमस्ते मैम, आप सब लोग मुझे जानते होंगे, फिर भी बता दूं, मैं हूँ कशिश। आज है सितंबर 5 और मुझे स्कूल छोड़ के हो गए साल 5 नहीं 4 साल। मैं SPS ज्वाइन करी थी 3rd क्लास में और आज मैं हूँ डिग्री 2nd ईयर में। 3rd से 10th इन 7 सालों में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा मज़े करे, बहुत ज़्यादा। मैंने डांट भी खाई है और मैंने मज़े भी बहुत करे। सीमा मैम, रेणुका मैम, मीनाक्षी मैम, सुजाता मैम, रश्मि मैम, शशि मैम, सब टीचर्स के साथ मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा मज़े करे। मैंने सब एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट किया, मैंने बहुत मज़े करे इन 7 सालों में। पर इन सब बातों में मैं तो मेन चीज़ भूल ही गई। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे मैम, थैंक यू हमेशा मेरा साथ देने के लिए। आज आप लोगों की वजह से ही मैं इतना बोल पा रही हूँ। मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम ले लिया शायद। ओके, बाय बाय।
आपसे ही सीखा, आपसे ही जाना, आपको ही हमने गुरु है माना। सीखा है सब कुछ आपसे हमने, कलम का मतलब आपसे ही जाना। Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I'm really appreciative of your guidance and support. You have made me the person I'm today and I'll always be thankful for it. Happy Teachers Day.
Throughout my school life, right from the 1st grade, I've always had you amazing teachers who helped me, encouraged me, nurtured me. You've made me the person that I am here today. People say that mistakes are the greatest teachers, but indeed I've had the best teachers who helped me correct my mistakes. Happy Teachers Day to the most wonderful, beautiful, extremely talented, selfless teachers. Thank you so much.
Hello, this is Ankit Mashati from Batch 2018. Before starting something, I wanted to wish all my wonderful teachers a happy Teachers Day. All the efforts and hard work you invested to bring the best in us can never be repaid in mere words. As we all say, you're like a visible goddess to all the students. Well, to tell about the teachers, I would like to start with Vijayalakshmi ma'am. Ma'am, Upadhyaya Dinotsava Subhakankshalu. మీరు మాలో ఉన్న మంచిని గుర్తించారు, మాలో ఉన్న చెడుని కూడా గుర్తించి మా భవిష్యత్తుని మంచి దారిలోకి తీసుకెళ్లినందుకు ధన్యవాదములు మ్యామ్. And also I used to look forward for my geography period, which was taught by Meenakshi ma'am. Ma'am, the way you taught us was so interesting. Apart from academics, you also used to help me to get off my hard times. And you were so supportive to me, ma'am. Thank you so much. And also, thank you Renuka ma'am for treating me as your own child. Also, thank you Shravanti ma'am, Grace ma'am, Pasha sir, Chandramouli sir, Venkat sir. And also, I'm sorry if I missed any teacher. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you all the teachers.
Hi, this is Bhupinder Singh Sidhu. I would like to start this off by just saying thank you for everything which you people have done. And I rather all the students would have many things to say to you people in person, but could not be said due to the uncertainty of the situations. It would have been a very difficult, journey without your people's support and zealous efforts which you people have made with us throughout the school journey. I would like to conclude this by just saying that we were just like stones, and you people have shaped us and given us purpose. Hence, today we are called as diamonds. That's it. Happy Teachers Day. Have a lovely and prosperous years ahead. Thank you.
अध्यापक की अमृतवाणी अंधकार में आशा है, पल पल जिसने दी हमको संस्कारों की अभिलाषा है, और जिसकी सफलता हमारा सफल हो जाना है, वही गुरु के प्रेम की सच्ची परिभाषा है. Thank you teachers for everything you've done. Thank you so much. Happy Teachers Day.
A very warm morning to all the teachers. Firstly, I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day. Words are not enough for me to express how thankful I am to all of you. You have not just guided me and supported me, but have also shaped me into a better person. I have spent the best moments of my life in this school, and for that, I would like to thank all of you. I would like to thank Sujata ma'am, Meenakshi ma'am, Grace ma'am, Pratibha ma'am, and Srilata ma'am, who have encouraged me and supported me for both academic and extracurricular activities. I would like to thank Subramaniam sir, who have made computers such a fun subject for me. I would also like to thank Pritika ma'am and Jerusha ma'am, who have been my guiding light since I was a kid. And a special thank you to Renuka ma'am and Seema ma'am, who are like a second mother to me. Ma'am, you have not just brought the best out of me, but have also made me believe in myself. Ma'am, you are truly my guardian angel. And so, on this beautiful occasion, I would like to say, I see the world in a different light. I can discriminate between wrong and right. I perceive things in a unique style. I have learned to go the extra mile. I have a deeper understanding of things. Dear teachers, you have truly given me wings. Thank you so much for what you have done for me. Happy Teachers Day!
Happy Teachers Day, teachers. I'm very overwhelmed right now. You all know how emotional I am, because I want to say to you all that I love you so much, and whatever I am, whatever I will be all because of you teachers, you lovely, beautiful teachers. I want to give a special mention to, there's so many teachers to talk about, like Pratibha ma'am, Shravanti ma'am, without whom, I would not have known what math is at all. I would like to give special mentions to Meenakshi ma'am for being my mentor, my best friend, my mother in all the times that I've gone through in SPS. I would like to thank Rashmi ma, because she's literally my knight in shining armor. And there's one more teacher who's not there right now in the school, but I hope this video goes to her. Vinita ma'am, you've touched my heart so emotionally that I want to tell you that I miss you so freaking much. And you'll always have a special place in my heart, and I'll always be your Batuni Chidiya. And I want to again apologize to everybody who have ever disrespected or disobeyed. I just want to say you all that I love each and every one of you so much, and I'm spreading this big hug to all of my SPS family. Lots of love. Happy Teachers Day. Bye.
कहते हैं भगवान ने माँ बनाई क्योंकि वो हर जगह नहीं हो सकते, और हमारी किस्मत कुछ ऐसी चमकी कि हम सिर्फ एक माँ के नहीं कहला सकते।
सही कहा टीचर, और इससे अच्छा मौका हमें शायद कभी नहीं मिलता। ये बात ये टीचर से Dear teacher, thank you. This is not enough. Well, how grateful we are for teaching everything we have invested in teaching us always look for us. There were times when we weren't at all keen to learn.
रोते हुए बच्चे को अपनी आंचल में लेना सिर्फ माँ ने नहीं, एक गुरु ने भी किया था। खुद को मोमबत्ती जैसे जलाकर हमारी जिंदगी को रोशनी से भर दिया था।
Through all of the missing homework assignments, class disturbances, and lost ID cards, you never gave up on us. For you, we might have just been another batch of silly students, but for us, we weren't just another set of teachers. You were and always will be our guiding lights that lead us to a brighter future.
धीरे धीरे चलने वाले नन्हे से कदमों को जिंदगी के लिए कुछ ऐसा तैयार किया मानो अपनी ही जिंदगी से एक टुकड़े को हमारे नाम कर दिया।
In my journey into the real world and being confident about who I am and what I can achieve, I will never be able to tell where your influence stops. We are very thankful for your magical life lessons and having you as our mentor and a guide who is always there by our side.
We will give our best to make you proud and nurture the plant of knowledge to feed your own life. We wish all our lovely teachers a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Aditya Reddy, an ex-student of the Secunderabad Public School. I studied in the school for about 10 years and I had a really special bonding with the teachers of SPS. I believe that a teacher's purpose is not to create a student in his or her own image, but to develop a student who can create their own image. And I am sure that the teachers of SPS will go to any extent to fulfill this purpose. To quote a personal experience of mine, I was always an introvert, and when the teachers told me to take part in the extracurricular activities, I took part and I excelled in them as well. So for whatever I am today, I give all the credit to the teachers of SPS. I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all my wonderful teachers. I'm Nishtha Kumar, presently studying in grade 11, and it's been only 5 months since I've left SPS, but I miss it already. I've spent the most beautiful 7 years in this school, and I'm gonna carry these memories and cherish them forever. And it's because of you, my teachers, that I had such a wholesome experience. You were a part of this marvelous journey, and I cannot thank you enough. You've showered me with love and tremendous support. One thing I can say for sure is that I was always given the opportunity to bring myself forward, which I'm really grateful for. So all my beloved teachers, right from the primary ones who laid my foundation years to the senior secondary, I thank you all for all the guidance you have provided me with and for being there throughout. And though I've left the school, I do know that if I need to reach out to any of you, you will always be there to lend me a helping hand. Thank you.
Not every teacher deserves to be called one, because the title is reserved for great ones like you. Wishing all our old teachers a happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all the amazing teachers out there.
Hello everyone, this is Jay Karthik, and happy Teachers Day to each and every teacher in TSPS family. A teacher is like a backbone of every student who keeps encouraging them and taking care of them, and you all stood to it. I feel so blessed and lucky to be taught by you all. Madhi ma'am, you are really a wonderful person. You treated all your students as your own child. Thanks for your unconditional love and care. Dev ma'am, you are really a loving person. You mingle with each other so nicely, and you are a friend more than a teacher. Venkat sir, you are really an inspiring person for me. Thanks for all your encouragement and courage. Lakshmi ma'am, आपके नाम सुनते ही मेरे मुंह पर मुस्कुराहट आ जाती है. आप पढ़ाई के साथ साथ जीवन जीना भी सिखा दिए. According to me, you are the most loving person in the whole school. It's not possible to take each and everyone's name, but you all be remembered for your love and care. Thank you, and happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers can change lives with just right mix of chalks and challenges. And an example for this are my teachers of SPS. I have been in SPS just for 1 year, but that is so memorable and loving for me. Thank you to all my dear teachers and friends for giving me so many memories. Grace ma'am, we have to salute for your tolerance and patience. Meenakshi ma'am, social always seems to be boring and sleepy, but you made it so interesting for us. And Rashmi ma'am, the love and care and support you showered on us, it means so much. Thank you so much everyone. Rajeshwari ma'am, Udayshri ma'am, Subhashni ma'am, and mainly Principal ma'am. You taught us like your kids and scolded us like your children. And thank you for your support not only in studies and everything. And here I'm heartfully wishing everyone a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you all.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers of SPS. I miss you all so much, and honestly, this is just an occasion to show the gratitude that we have. But trust me, after being an ex-student and leaving the school every day, I really miss you all immensely. And thank you for everything that you've done. Love you all so much.
I hope the teachers have had a nostalgia seeing their old children. I thank all the seniors for your efforts in making this a lot more special.
And now let's move on to a very interesting picture collage of the teachers who not just teachers but are multi-talented and all-rounders.
ख्वाबों की नगरी हकीकत बनाने जो है दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं, खुद के होने की पहेली सुलझाने जो है दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं, कदमों में जमा जो थका चैन की नींद आती वहाँ, कदमों में जमा जो थका चैन की नींद आती वहाँ, इतनी सुहानी बना पूरा पुरानी तेरी दास्तां.
Isn't that splendid? We definitely look up to them. We have some of our 12th class students who want to express their gratitude for the very last time wholeheartedly.
A big salute to all the teachers of kindergarten who taught us our first lessons and helped us build our foundation.
Our maths teachers who taught us how to play with numbers. Our English teachers who taught us how to be such good orators.
Our biology teacher always made us laugh with organs. Our physics teacher taught us how well we could stand in our own 2 feet and all we need is gravity. Our chemistry ma'am taught us how to not break test tubes in chemistry lab.
Our accounts ma'am taught that tallying is not simple as it looks. Our Telugu teacher taught us morals based on Vemana and Sumiti Padyalu.
Our PT sir was our first speech gym instructor. Our Hindi ma'am made us realize that it's never too late to follow Kabir's teachings even in this new world. Our social teacher taught us how simple yet complex human society is.
Our IP sir taught us how a code can run a company. We are sorry if we missed any of the teachers, but all the teachers mean a lot to us and we'll remember you.
We thank all the teachers for everything. We hope you keep smiling and teaching. We wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much.